to make 100% of your investment.
This actually was a huge like connecting of the dots where I was like, oh my gosh, I'm smarter today than I was yesterday. When Elihu explained to me the idea of market cap, you know, when you look at that number, it's 39.1 billion, right? That's the market cap. So whatever money you invest, let's say you want to make 10x your returns, this basically has to go up to 390 billion, right? Or
Yep.
or it'd be
It's about 10 times.
10 times.
39 billion,
So you 10
390
times
billion.
it. So in order for you to make 10 times on $1,000, so if you want to make $10,000 on a $1,000 investment, you have to wait till this 39.1 billion value of Binance coin goes up to 390 billion.
Right. And so
for
Bitcoin to go up 100%, it needs $1 trillion more than where it is now. Is that possible? Yeah, but probably not as fast as these other plays, right?
Let's look at Bitcoin now.
So that's just one thing that's really important to consider in the crypto space specifically, just because there's not, you know, as much money compared to the stock market.
So the market cap of Bitcoin is 925 billion. Yeah, it's a slow mover. It's like Apple. Apple's market cap is 2.2 trillion, 2.5 trillion. Or it's a 2.2 actually, probably something like that. Yeah. But Cardano, lot of opportunity here. 39.7 billion. Binance Coin, 39.1 billion. They're around the same. Hey, they're similar. So you can 10x your money. It's possible, but it's gonna take more. I think it's gonna take more time for it to 10x.
Yeah.
I mean, these are already pretty big coins. That's why Elihu is betting on these smaller coins with market caps of 18 million, because in order for him to 10x his investment, this only has to go to 180 million, right? So then...
Which is totally doable. That's
it was just